How to delete Roblox account on mobile. In this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open up now your mobile phone, now go to this menu at the bottom, go to settings, go to privacy. Scroll down and tap on this account deactivation and deletion. Now tap on this initiate account deletion. Now initiate again. After it finishes loading, now it will take you to this option. Now scroll down. Under this account deletion, tap on this support form. So from this option now it will ask you to fill in all this form. So here you will be able to add in your username. So now you can be able now to add your email address that you open the email address that you used to open the Roblox account. After you type in the email address and confirm the email address, scroll down and tap on this option now and select your device that you are using. If you are using iPhone, select iPhone. If you are using Android, select Android. And then you can tap on this option and scroll down and tap on this I want to delete my account. Select this one again, I want to delete my account, and tap on this option now, type in delete account. So after you type in a message like this, now please delete my account, then tap on this continue button. From there the message will be sent to Roblox and they will reach out to you with the confirmation of deleting your account within 2 to 3 days, and that's it.